just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, to let go. Time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow. Tell me did you know that you'd be leaving me just like the winners? Tell me should I've known. Try my best to move on, to let go. I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you, I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right. Woke up lonely, and for you there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right. Do you ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know what's best for one another? Are we just another project? We're both fixer-uppers, just waiting to crumble. If we search the pieces, would we be bitter, humble? It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your You ever wonder